Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I want to share my experience with these wearable breast pumps. These things are absolutely incredible and I want to tell you all about them, share their features with you guys, and even show you how they look when they're being used. So right away, I love how compact these are. The fact that you're going to be able to be hands-free. You can even lay back just a little bit and still continue to use these, and they are so comfortable to wear. The flange is a super soft silicone. It feels absolutely incredible. And they do provide you with all of the necessary pieces that you need. So just a quick look at that. You obviously get the main devices, and then they do provide you with a little measuring tool to help make sure you're using the proper flange size and any kind of information that you might need regarding that. Then you get the two additional flange sizes. You get a 21 millimeter and a 19 millimeter. These can very simply snap into the existing 24 millimeter flange that's already placed. So if you do need to add those, it's very simple to do and it just pops right in. You get spare valves for each of them, and you get little bottle caps. So if you are just wanting to temporarily store the milk in the little bottle area here, you can put that cap on, pop it in the fridge, or what have you. And then you get a nice little collapsible funnel. So if you are storing it away in bags or other bottles, you can easily pour this out and not have to worry about spills. They do also provide 3 little milk storage bags and a cleaning brush. When it comes to use, these are really easy to take apart and put together so you can clean everything really easily. You can pop out this flange, and that's fully silicone. You can get that disinfected. And then the bottom bottle just twists to unlock. And then you have access to the connector, the valve, and the anti-backflow piece that is right back here. And when you're ready to get it put back together, it's just as simple. Snap that in, twist and lock on the bottle. And then you're just gonna line up the 2 triangles, the one on the machine itself and the one on the silicone, and get that snapped in place. And then it is ready for use. The compartment can accommodate up to 5 ounces of milk. So really great capacity, I would say standard for a wearable pump. If you produce a lot of milk, you do wanna make sure that you are stopping it and checking where that is at so you don't get overflow. When you're ready to use it, it's really easy to control. Everything is right up here on the top. It's got a nice digital display, and there are 3 buttons. You have a power button that doubles as the mode button, and then you have a plus and minus. To turn the device on and off, you'll long press the power button, and to switch between modes, it's just a short press, and then your plus and minus are going to allow you to switch up the levels, but it also allows you to do something special with the modes that I'll tell you about in just a moment. So when you first turn the device on, it's going to do a default setting of stimulation mode at level 3. Here's how it sounds. And it will do that for 2 minutes before switching to expression mode. So the 4 different modes that you have are stimulation. That's great for when you're gearing up, whenever you're about to pump, just to help prep everything. And then you have expression mode that's going to most similarly replicate the suction that a baby would provide. And then you've got frequency conversion mode. This is going to be great for getting rid of residual milk, making sure that milk isn't accumulating in the breast. And then you have vibration mode. However, vibration mode can also be added on to any of the other 3 modes. And to do that, you're just going to simultaneously hold down plus and minus. So if you are in stimulation mode, but you want a little extra, you can tack on vibration to that. Or same goes for expression or the frequency conversion mode. So totally up to you. You can really customize your experience, and I really love that. Like I mentioned before, this is incredibly comfortable and it's fairly discreet. It is not overly large. You could definitely get away with using this in public without it being too much of a distraction. And I love that about it. I love how portable this is. You can give this a 1.5 hour charge and get 2 hours of use out of it. I love all of the different features to it and how adjustable it is and easy to control. So if you guys are expecting, or if you're already producing milk and you're looking for a wonderful pump option that's going to give you loads of freedom with tons of convenience, this is such a great choice. I think you guys would absolutely love it. I would definitely give it a try.